Samsung's upcoming Unpacked event this summer is generating a lot of buzz, with leaks and rumors swirling around the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. Just weeks before the big reveal, prototype and dummy photos of the devices have surfaced, providing us with some key insights. These images depict early versions of the phones, suggesting that there may be significant design changes in the works. For instance, the display seam shown in the photos might be more pronounced than what we'll see in the final product, or an older display could have been used to emphasize the phone's overall design. Fans are particularly eager to see if the crease on the fully opened Galaxy Z Fold and Galaxy Z Flip will be less noticeable. One noticeable change is the boxier design of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, reminiscent of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The corners of both the inner and outer screens are now more angular compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The device is slightly shorter and wider than its predecessor, featuring a triple camera setup on the rear and a fingerprint reader on the right side. The leaked photos also reveal a black prototype variant with Samsung roughly stamped on the hinges, hinting at a potential logo redesign. While the etched logo is typically preferred for its elegance, a stamped logo could be in the works for these premium devices. Another interesting detail to observe is a possible flare in the hinge protection plate at the top and bottom of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, although this is not entirely confirmed. The hinge appears to extend slightly further from the main phone panels at the ends, where the Samsung logo is positioned. As for the Z Flip 6, there are no visible details of this sort in the leaked images. Despite these minor observations, Samsung's design improvements are evident in these prototype units. Both phones appear to have a smaller bezel around the internal display, and their overall footprint looks slightly more refined compared to last year's models. That's quite impressive. In addition to the improved battery life, the Z Fold 6 also boasts some other exciting features. It is said to be thinner and lighter than its predecessor, with a shorter and wider display. And if you're a fan of capturing slow-motion videos, you'll be pleased to know that it supports 4K 120 FPS video recording. Not to mention, it is rumored to have a titanium frame, similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there is one downside to all these upgrades. It appears that Samsung is planning to increase the price of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 by $100 in the US. This might make it a tough sell for those who already own the previous generation Fold 5. So the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is looking like an incredible new folding phone from Samsung, and for a device that's kept the same design for some time. Now it's great that we're finally getting some changes in all areas. Now a bigger cover display with a wider aspect ratio is going to make the phone a lot more usable for those times that where you want to do something quickly and you don't want to unfold into the larger display, and the brighter display along with the new A features, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, means general usability is going to be greatly improved. The fact that they're also thinning down the phone. On top of all this is just a bonus, and to be honest, the Z Fold 5 already looked like a very premium device, so I'm very excited for the Z Fold 6. Now, because of the similarities to its predecessor, I can't see anyone with a Fold 5 rushing for an upgrade, but for those in an older Fold or looking to try out their first Fold, then the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is going to be a great place to start. Now we've still got some time until the official launch, so it's likely we're going to get more and more leaks coming in, and of course I'll be sharing them as soon as they do. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future.